Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In the last video we have seen how to create a normal partition and how to mount. So in this video we are going to see how to create swap partition and how to mount permanent. So if you want to create the partition, you need to log in as an admin user. So I'm going to log in admin user. So I have logged in. So if you want to check there is having a swap partition or not, no, there is no swap partition. So I'm going to create the swap partition using fdisk. fdisk/dev sda, enter. So if you want to just see how many partitions are there, just type p. There is only two partitions, dev sda1, sda2. So now I'm going to create a new partition using n and press enter. It will ask you want to create a primary partition or extended partition. Now I'm going to create a primary partition, so I'm going to type p and enter. So it will ask the partition number. I'm going to give 3 because I have 1 and 2 is already created, so I'm going to create a 3. Press enter. In the first sector you no need to any update, so press enter as it default. In the last sector you need to add how much size you want to create. I'm going to create 2 GB, so you can mention the 2048 MB. Enter. You can see here the partition 3, type Linux and size 2 GB. So I'm going to print again. If you can see here, the device is created and the partition is Linux. So now I'm going to change the type for this partition. So if you want to change the type, you can type here to T to change type. Enter. So which partition you want to change type? I want to change type third partition, so I'm going to type 3. Enter. Normally the Linux swap partition ID is 82, so I'm going to type here to 82 and enter. So if you want to know it is changed or not, just type p. You can see here now it's changed. If you want to change ID, which file says having which ID, so if you want to see that, just type L. You can see there FA2 is 27, FAT12 is 27, and the Linux normal file system is 83, the Linux swap is 82, Linux LVM is 8E. So this it is very helpful to when you change the partition type. So I want to save this now. Type W to save, press enter. So now it's changed. Now I'm going to save that in my hard disk. Part probe using part probe /dev/sda. Enter. Now it's saved. And next I'm going to format that swap partition using mk swap /dev sda3. so this is the swap partition, so I'm going to enter here. Now you can see the swap partition is formatted. Then I'm going to on the swap partition using swap on. It is the swap on -s. Yes, swap on and I'm going to swap on using SDA3 partition using swap on and /dev SDA3. Now I am going to check the swap is on or not. Yes, you can see the file name dev/sda3, type partition, the size is 2 GB. So now I'm created the swap partition and formatted. Then now I'm going to permanent mount. So if you want to get permanent mounted, you need to know that swap partitions UUID. So you can use BLKID. So you can see UUID for DA3 swap partition, and copy this using right click and copy, and you need to add the permanent mount. So you going to edit the vim/etc/fstab. This is the permanent mount file. So now I'm going here to enter UUID for swap, press enter to edit. Now I'm going to paste here. Paste, remove the double quotate and type tab. Now you can see the file format is mounted. This is the mount point. And next, what is going to be mount? So the mount is, I'm going to mount swap, right? Type swap and tab button. And what is the file system of that partition? I'm going to type swap partition file system is swap, and I'm going to type default values as default, FAULT defaults, and dump is 0, and the auto check also 0. 0 is none, right? And escape save. So yes, now we are created a swap partition and formatted, and now mounted as a permanent. So if you want to check swap partition is allocated or not, just type enter to see swap is allocated as a 2 GB, and you can also see using fdisk -l which partition is going to be swap is 3. So that's it, this video, friends. If you like this video, please make sure to hit subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.